Alright, so today the Bustos Bros are over at South San Francisco to try one of Filipino's best barbecue spots, Fil Am. There's a location over in Daly City, but unfortunately we didn't know anybody there, so we're over here in South San Francisco. We're gonna show you what it's all about. Let's go. Alright, so we're over here at Fil Am number 2, and we're about to order our meals. Can I have 2 items, please?
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, I'm sweating.
So if you're Filipino, you've probably seen this barbecue at your family party.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go to a Filipino party without this barbecue. We got 1 pork and 1 chicken.
Alright, tell them what you got over here.
I have some, so I got a silog. Silog means egg. What does that mean, egg?
No, it means, no, that's not a salad because there's no garlic rice. Dude, I'm sweating.
No, dude. So anyways, I got the tocino, chicken tocino with egg.
Called Calderetta? Menudo or something? I forgot the name. I just pointed at it and they gave it to me. So, dude, they hooked it up with so much.
Dude, and everything here costs less than $7. This whole plate, less than $7.
But look at this. Peanut bed. One of my favorite Filipino dishes ever. Check that out.
Oh. Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Chicken.
Mm.
Oh no. They gave us such great hospitality over here. It's like whatever we want.
Look at all that juice that's coming in right now.
Oh my god. Whenever I go to, what's it called? Whenever there's a Filipino party and I gotta bring food, this is what I bring, right here. Right there. Oh wow.
It's nice, sweet, tender, fatty, nicely charred. So good.
I'm gonna try the chicken real quick.
Awesome.
Oh. Later on, we're gonna see how this is made. Super sweet, smoky. Filipino barbecue beats all barbecues. For sure. Right here?
No, I'm not.
Right here's chicken. Just use your hands. That's the Filipino way. Use your hands. Rice. Oh, this gulay. Oh, some gulay. Alright, me and my brother feel defeated. It was just way too much food for us. You know, it's very heavy with the rice. But it was super sweet, salty,
Delicious.
sweet, salty, sugary. Like, the meat is sweet.
Dude, you said that like 5 times.